Hey drivers, it's Diesel Duchess here. Welcome back to another inside look into the Driver Pulse app, brought to you by 10th Street. In this video, we're shining a spotlight on a feature designed to empower you in your job search: Pulse pre-application messaging. Picture this: you're considering a new company, but before you hit submit on that application, you've got questions. With Pulse pre-application messaging, you can connect directly with potential employers, ask your burning questions, and get the information you need to make an informed decision. Let's take a look at how Pulse puts you in the driver's seat of your career journey. To get started, we'll open the Driver Pulse app. We're going to select Jobs. Once I select jobs, there will be a list of companies that are hiring that meet my top preferences. All companies have not opted into messaging, so any company that has opted in, you'll notice it says message under their profile. In order to send any company that you have interest a message, you'll select the message icon. Now you'll have two options. You can ask questions directly from your job preferences, or you can type your own direct message. In this example, I'm going to ask, do I qualify for employment if I've had a recent accident? Once you've typed your message, you'll be able to send that message directly to the company and wait for their reply. Now, if you've already sent previous messages or you just want to check the status or reply, you'll go back to the home screen of the Driver Pulse app and select Messages. Here, there will be a list of your most recent communication with companies, and you're able to check for any response you have received. There you have it, drivers. As you navigate your career path, remember that Pulse pre-application messaging is your direct line to potential employers. Say goodbye to uncertainties and hello to informed decisions. Take control of your job search, reach out to companies, and pave the way to successful partnerships. Until next time, happy driving and best of luck on your job search journey.